So if you check my Instagram, I just posted a video where there's a little effect I did there. So I'm just going to go in over that effect. That little boomerang effect is what I'm just going to be going over in this video. So before I continue this video, I just want to give a shout out to Con Films for providing this footage right here. It's for an edit contest he hosted, so I just want to give a shout out to Con for providing this footage. So as you can see right here, this effect only lasts like 1 second, but it's a very simple and effective edit right here. Let me turn off the keyframes. So let's go over the footage on its own. So this is like the main clip itself. The video is just moving forward, and so in order to achieve this effect, that dolly zoom effect, while the video is moving forward, also want to set your keyframe to move the opposite direction in order to achieve that effect. Let me just adjust it a bit and show you guys how it works here. So right here I'm zooming out, but no, this is like the original video size. What I did here instead was zoom in using the keyframe. So you had the keyframe right here at the beginning of the clip, and you zoom in. As far as the video itself is moving forward, it seems like they are in place, but the background is moving, so it kind of gives you that dolly zoom effect at the same time. So that is how you achieve that effect in the same place. So another thing else that you want to do right here that I did was, you right click, you go to your speed, and then you fasten the video. So you increase the speed from 100 to 400, or at least 500. From 400 to 700 is always a great place to start. So I'd advise you to stick around that area when you're doing your own edit. I increase the speed to 400 so that it kind of like moves fast. It's kind of like gives you that whoosh. This other clip that I nested the same clip, and then I clicked on reverse speed. So everything together now just zooms in and out at the same time. Now that I've gone over what I did, let me show you guys the original clip and do that effect again from scratch. So this is the original clip here. As you can see, it's really slow. The camera right here is panning towards the models in this clip. So what I'm going to do here is add a keyframe, go to effect controls, add a keyframe in your position and scale, and then move over to towards the end of the clip, and then you kind of like zoom in. Sorry, you zoom out instead. You move over to the beginning of the clip. Move back to the beginning of the clip, the very first keyframe, and then you zoom in. You zoom in till they are in frame. So adjust your position and scale so the models are in frame. So that effect is already starting to show here. Then you go back to your last keyframe, and then let's reset everything here. Last keyframe. So it's kind of like, guys, you can see the effect has already started showing here. So all you just need to do next is right click, move to speed duration like I did earlier, 400%. So it now kind of moves fast. So now all you need to do is hold your right click on your mouse, move the clip over to the other end, increase the timeline, move it over here, and then it's the same clip, but what we'll do next is nest that clip, reverse it, boom, and that's it. It's very simple and easy. It just only takes you like 5 minutes to do. As you can see, this is a very simple but very effective effect. It will look awesome for your edits. You guys can go check out my Instagram to check out the full editing and see the full edit and how everything comes together. If you want me to do more of this, more walkthrough on this particular edit, you can let me know in the comments below so that I can consider doing more tutorials on this edit. That's all for this video today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.